Welcome back to 𝐀𝐁𝐎𝐒. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix common Wi-Fi network issues on Windows laptops. Let's get into the video. First of all, go to the Start menu, type Run, and open the Run utility. Then, type in cp.cpl and press Enter. Now you can see the Wi-Fi Network Adapter, which is important. Sometimes, it might get disabled. To fix this issue, right-click on it and select Enable manually. Now, as you can see, the adapter is identifying the Wi-Fi network. Oops, I'm getting an error message saying unidentified network. Let's see how we can fix this. This is usually happening due to an incorrect IP address assigned to the network adapter. To fix this, right-click on the adapter, click Internet Protocol version then click on Properties. Now, select Obtain an IP and DNS server address automatically and click OK. This will allow the adapter to obtain a new IP address from the router. Now, you can see the Wi-Fi is successfully connected. Another common Wi-Fi issue is the error message can't connect to this network. This can be easily resolved by right-clicking on the Wi-Fi network, selecting Forget, and then re-entering the Wi-Fi password. And finally, I'm going to show you the best method that can fix most common Wi-Fi issues. This will reset the Wi-Fi adapter and resolve all the issues. Go to the Start menu, type Computer Management, then right-click and select Run as Administrator. Now, click on Device Manager. Expand the network adapters from the device list. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter and uninstall it based on the 800 to standard, like 800 to .11n or 80 to .11ac. This will reset the Wi-Fi driver. Make sure not to tick delete the driver permanently. Then click the refresh button, and now you should see the Wi-Fi networks. You can connect by entering the password. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have a better solution, feel free to mention it in the comments.